Dear professional colleague, inclination towards embracing changes is important to remain ahead. The thought of our national leadership is making India Atmanirbhar Bharat. India's Vision 2047, a blueprint to transform the India into a 30 trillion economy by 2047, marks a bold step towards expanding our technological and industrial capability. The government's investment in cutting-edge technology like AI, Internet of Things and blockchain are fostering collaboration between startups, enterprises and academia, positioning India as a global innovation hub. The Make in India initiative, a cornerstone of our progress, has significantly strengthened India's global manufacturing capabilities, attracting substantial FDI amounting to $667 billion between 2014 and 2024. The ease of doing business reform has also created a favorable environment for both domestic and international investors, furthering propelling India's economic growth. Chartered accountants are unsung heroes and leaders in India's journey towards economic development. With several years of experience in this profession, I can confidently state that chartered accountants are instrumental in driving the success of organizations across various sectors. On these thoughts, my dear colleague, let me share the events that unfolded at the institute during the last 1 month. It's a very remarkable journey of last 1 month, as our institute's initiatives are directed towards the motto of partner in nation building. I am happy to share that the institute has had a meeting with executives of Asian Development Bank and World Bank to develop a technical guidance note for the audit of projected financial statement and other statements of externally aided projects in India by ADB and the World Bank. Further, to foster collaboration and innovation in local governance and aligning local self-governance with the vision of Viksit Bharat, ICAI recently organized a conclave on the theme Sashakt Bharat, an initiative to strengthen local self-government accounting. The agenda was to strengthen 2.6 lakh panchayat and 4,500 municipal bodies by providing them skilled accountant jointly by ICAI and CNAG. The chief guest, Sri Girish Chandra Murmu, Honorable CNAG, with 400 participants from across the country representing esteemed organizations such as CNAG of India, Controller General of Accounts, Principal Accountant General and AGs, National Institute of Urban Affairs, SEBI, USAID, ADB, State Audit Departments, State Finance Department, Local Fund Audit Department, Panchayat and Urban Development Authorities and municipal corporations joined this conclave. The conclave was also webcast live with more than 2,000 participants turning in. Dear colleague, for a professional like us, ethics is something that should be embedded to the core of all our endeavors. On this note, I am happy to share that the ICAI for the first time celebrated Global Ethics Day on 16th of October, wherein technical sessions and panel discussions were conducted that highlighted the importance of ethics in our profession. This event was a reinforcement to the ethical conduct and the responsibility of chartered accountant within the financial ecosystem. I am very happy to share that correlating ethics with independence, we have the concept of independent directors to foster the culture of good corporate governance within the organization. On this note, the Independent Directors Conclave was organized, which was focused on enhancing governance standards, understanding regulatory framework and promoting best practices in boardroom dynamics. The conclave aimed to empower directors with the tools and knowledge necessary to effectively fulfill their responsibility and contribute to sustainable corporate growth. Dear colleague, let me share you at the Institute, we are always committed to expand our infrastructure both domestically and internationally so as to serve our members in a better way. In this regard, we recently inaugurated the Mandi Govindganj branch at Punjab of ICAI. Further, we have also inaugurated 51st chapter globally and 12th chapter overseas in USA, in Florida, which was inaugurated with full fanfare. I also recently attended the annual conference organized by the Doha chapter of ICAI, which was our first chapter overseas, on the theme Startup and Innovation, which featured eminent and famous startup entrepreneurs, founders and investors sharing their experiences and insights into the startup ecosystem. Today, India is one of the booming investment destinations. In 2023-24 alone, India recorded an FDI of $71 billion and USA being the third highest investor in India. ICAI hosted a joint event with IFSCA in New York and San Francisco, where investment opportunity in India were discussed. It was also discussed how India can become global accounting and auditing hub. Further, I am happy to share that the Toronto chapter of ICAI has organized the third edition of North American Talent Summit 2024. I also met Miss Pamela Steer, the President of CPA Canada, for the modalities concerning the renewal of the MOU between ICAI and CPA Canada. Recently, a national conference on internal audit and technology was organized by ICAI at Jaipur, which was inaugurated by Honorable Vice President of India, Shri Jagdeep Dhankar ji. The conference discussed about the integration, addition of internal audit and technology, paving way for real-time monitoring, improved accuracy in audit and deeper insights into the organizational performance, ultimately supporting better decision making and fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Coming on the World Forum of Accountants to be organized at Yashobhumi, New Delhi on 31st January, 1st and 2nd Feb 2025, I urge and encourage our members to register for this global conference and experience the collaboration and networking opportunities, new avenue in the field of artificial intelligence and sustainability. Please visit wofa.ici.org for other details. Colleague, in the month of November 2024, the Chartered Accountant General covered the topic leadership under the overarching theme of leadership path to excellence, building tomorrow's financial pioneer. The journal highlighted modern leadership strategies, essential skill for navigating financial challenges, and how accountant can drive a sustainable and innovative future. Some of the articles in the journal are creativity and innovation driven leadership, from goods to great, how effective leadership can transform your business. The role of leadership in strategy, planning and execution. Bridging tradition and modernity. The influence of Indian traditional knowledge on culturally competent leadership. Leading with strategy. How great leaders shape organizational direction. Cultivate a leadership mindset in the digital age. The rise of social entrepreneurship, leadership opportunities. ESG indices, methodology and importance. The DPDP Act and role of chartered accountant, a concerto of compliance and opportunity in the digital age. The AI infused future of chartered accountancy. These are some of the articles in the journal. Last but not the least, I would like to say that our profession is a demanding profession. Meeting deadlines, working in pressure and managing critical finances brings upon a lot of responsibility and accountability. But in between all these, always be a helping hand to others in whatsoever way you can be, as it is the humanity that makes this whole world a better place. Jai Hind, Jai ICAI.